Hello and welcome back to Sweet Leaf Soapery's YouTube channel. For those of you who are new around here, my name is Faith Ann Bodiani and I am the owner and soap maker of Sweet Leaf Soapery. So today I will be making a lilac soap called Lilacs for Ramona. And this soap will actually be available on my Etsy shop tomorrow, May 1st, 2020, 7 p.m. Mountain Time. And with that being said, I actually do not make videos for all of my soaps that I post on my Etsy. So if you would like to see everything that will be available tomorrow, you can check out my Instagram or my Facebook. Both of those are just at Sweet Leaf Soapery. And without further ado, let's go ahead and make our soap for today. So I'm going to start off, as per usual, by blending my lye water into my oils. But first I wanted to point out that my lye water is white. And that's because you can add your titanium dioxide straight to your lye water. So I have blended up my oils and my lye water, and they're already at a medium trace, I would say, because I used a pretty steep water discount. And what a water discount is when you are mixing up your lye solution, which is lye and water, you do not have to use the full recommended water. So in some cases, it's better to use the full amount of water if you're trying to get a really swirly design. But in my case today, I wanted a pretty steep water discount so my batter would thicken up faster. For my colorants today, I have some Rapture Mica from Nurture Soap, and I have some Northern Lights Mica in this container, both from Nurture Soap. And as you can tell, the titanium dioxide did not completely whiten my batter, and that's fine with me. I didn't really put enough to do so, but my batter is also kind of difficult to make a stark white, and that's because I use extra virgin olive oil instead of pumice olive oil. And the reason I use extra virgin olive oil is that's because that is what is local to me. I think it's really important to try to find what's local to you before ordering. And there are a bunch of things that I order, don't get me wrong. And also, any soap makers out there who have a Winco near you, oh my god, let me tell you, Winco is a gem. They have the lowest price on olive oil and coconut oil that I've basically ever seen. So our soap today is going to be fragranced with Lilac from Nature's Garden Candle. And I'm actually making this soap for my boyfriend's grandma. She told me that she really likes the smell of lilacs. And Mother's Day is coming up, so I think I'm going to give her a bar. And these are actually going to be called Lilacs for Ramona because that is her name, and my boyfriend came up with the name, and I loved it. All right, so I'm going to start pouring. And really, I have no rhyme or reason on how I'm pouring today. But one thing that I am doing with these bars is I have some gold mica in this salt shaker, and I'm going to sprinkle a little bit on, and then I'm going to pour some soap in it, and that'll give me really thin gold wispy lines in my soap. Alright, I'm going to tap this down on the ground and then I will be back to texture the top. Okay, so I am back to decorate and texture the top. What I'm going to be doing today is I'm going to be doing 2 lines of these little fork drag marks on each side, and I'm trying to build it up in the middle a little bit. I think my soap is a little bit too hard for that, but we're going to try our best because that is what we do here at Sweet Leaf Soapery, is we just try our best. There we go. Now I'm adding a little bit of colored Epsom salt to the top. So I have a pink one and a purple one. Now I'm going to add some poppy seeds to the middle. And now I'm going to use my mica sprayer that has some shimmer gold mica in it, and I'm just going to dust the top. And I always want to say I'm going to dust it lightly, but I always dust it way too much. I love it. I have so much fun with these mica sprayers. And to seal everything in, I'm going to spray it with rubbing alcohol, and I will be back in 18 to 24 hours to cut these bars. Okay, I am back to cut our lilacs for Ramona soap. These bars are having a really hard time showing up on camera. If you are interested in purchasing these soaps for yourself, they will be available tomorrow, May 1st, 2020, 7 p.m. Mountain Time, on my Etsy shop. And if you want to see all of the other soaps that I made for the month of May, you can find them on my Instagram or my Facebook, or you can just wait until tomorrow when I post them on my shop. And if you liked this video, please consider liking and subscribing. It really helps out my channel. And with all that being said, I hope you have a fabulous day, and I will see you in the next video.